Hello everyone, welcome to Travel Guide. Today we are in Chongqing and Sahil join us. Please say hi to others.
Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Hussain. I'm from India, Karnataka. Right now we are in Chongqing place. We're super excited to visit inside.
Yes, Sahil also runs a YouTube. Chongqing is located in southwestern China and is very famous for its pottery. Now we are at Antao town, and this town has a history of more than 300 years of producing pottery. You can see this gate. It's like a huge pickle jar because in the ancient time or before, here pottery are made into pickle jars for people's daily life. And later we'll also experience how to make potteries.
Wow! I'm super excited to make pottery and learn about this history here behind us. As you guys can see, we are standing in between a pot. It's a pickle jar. So I believe there is a lot of history behind this, and you guys might too know the history behind this. We'll see you later.
Yeah, let's check the craftsmanship. Let's experience how to make pottery. Let's go. About the history of this place of pottery is very long. It can date back to Tang Dynasty, Tang Dynasty, but it becomes prosperous like in Qing Dynasty. So you can see this is the main building of this area. You can see the decoration. It looks like what? Are you familiar with this?
Yeah, this is cup, teacup. Teacup, right?
Yeah, you're right.
And that is the cup.
So brilliant, guy, my friend. Yeah, this looks like teapot. Yeah, because pottery can also made into teapot for everyday life. They have a great sum of resources here. Lot of clay. It's like 25 kilometers long. Along that way, there are much clay. They can grab the clay and produce pottery.
Do you know these cliffs, these pottery cliffs? They were found on the mountains of here. They were like several hundred years ago. Ancient pottery cliffs.
Yeah, people discovered this ancient pottery in the nearby mountains, and they carry them here and put it on this road. So now you're standing on like several hundred years old pottery. This is the post I told you here, because in ancient time people can't drive a car, they ride the horse. They're from everywhere, so when they get tired, they need some rest. Government make this post for them so that they can get some rest, have some water, eat some meals like that. Now we are in the exhibition hall. In this exhibition hall, there are many different pottery wares we can see. And now we have Master Liu with us. Master Liu is a very good at art, and all these pottery wares are designed by him. Later, Master Liu will introduce us about the functions of these pottery wares. Let's go.
这个是泡菜的，这个是包装罐，这个是装饰品，这个也是泡菜品。
Guess what is it used for?
This one is. Okay, this one is for flowers, right?
Yeah.
This one is for flowers. Yeah. And this one is. Let me guess.
Yeah, you can do it.
What is this
It
for?
looks what? It looks like a gate we enter, right?
Yeah, pickle, huh?
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, pickle.
Also used for pickles.
How do we call pickle in Chinese?
腌菜,
Yan cai.
泡菜.
Pao cai.
In
Pao
Chinese
cai,
we call it 泡菜坛.
Pao cai tan. Tan means like a soup.
坛 means
Oh.
like container.
Oh, okay.
the studio or the workshop of pottery making. Later, Sahil will experience how to make pottery. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm excited to do this. I hope it doesn't get broken by me.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Master Liu will teach us.
Okay.
Let's go. Now Sahil has finished his masterpiece, and Sahil now is writing his name, is carving his name on his own pottery. How do you feel, Sahil?
Well, actually, I'm making this for the first time. I'm touching the clay, this type of red clay for the first time. So it feels like when I was making this, I felt like I'm playing with some chocolate. So when I'm doing this, it feels like, okay, this is chocolate. Let us press more, and it gets broken down. You know, we must be very, very careful, and the hands while pressing should be very, very delicate. So I broke it once, but the master, he helped me to, come out of that. So I'm writing my name right now here.
Yeah. Later, the master will do some processing about this pottery, and we will send this pottery to Nanchang, to your university, and then you can get your own pottery with your name carved on this.
I'll be waiting for this one.
Yeah. So let's wrap up this episode here. If you are interested in pottery, you can come Chongqing, Rongchang, Antao town. Then you can start the journey of pottery.